Do you guys see my elf right there?
Yeah.
What's his name? Christian. Yeah, do you see he's coughing? What's he doing when he coughs?
Eating.
No, what's he doing? Look at his arms. He's getting ready to cover his arm with his what? Elbow. And that's what you all need to do when you cough too, is cover your mouth with your elbow. When you sneeze, you go, oh, choo. Okay?
We need to cover our mouth.
We sure do need to cover our mouth. All right, are we ready for a story?
Yeah.
All right, let's begin. What part of the book is this?
That's
Fine. Who wrote the words? Who drew the pictures? Illustrator. And this book is called The Three Little Kittens. Okay, let's listen now, okay? Three little kittens have lost their mittens and they began to cry. Oh, Mother dear, we sadly fear our mittens we have lost. Meow. Oh my goodness, they're sad. They're telling their mom, we lost our mittens and we're sad.
And the mom is mad.
Okay, let's see.
He's
What?
mad.
What? Lost your mittens? You naughty kittens. Oh, she kind of got upset, huh?
Yeah.
Why did she get upset?
Because
because she-
they lost their mittens.
Yeah, she probably just bought them yesterday.
Yeah.
And then kittens went out and took them off somewhere and were not being thoughtful of them getting new mittens. Then you shall have no pie. She's going to punish them. No pie for you. Meow, meow,
Stop,
meow.
Teacher.
They started to cry.
Why are you gonna cry?
The three little kittens,
They found it.
they found their mittens.
They found their milk.
And they began to cry.
They're happy.
Yes, they're happy, very happy. Look at, they even have a happy face. Oh, Mommy dear, see here, our mittens we have found. Yay, we found our mittens. What? You found your mittens? You good little kittens. Yay, she got so happy it made her heart. It made her heart warm. Then you shall have some pie. And the kittens went purr, purr, purr. That means they're happy. That's the sound cats make when they're happy, huh, Emmy? Yes, they're very happy because they love pie.
Yeah, they do.
The three little kittens put on their mittens and soon ate up the pie. Are you sure they're cats and not pigs? Because they ate up their pie.
Yeah. And they got their mittens on them.
They got their mittens dirty from the red pie.
Yeah.
Oh, Mother dear, we greatly feared. Our mittens we have soiled. What does soiled mean?
That means dirty.
That means they got dirty. Yes.
And they go in the water.
What? Soiled you mittens? You naughty kittens! Then they began to sigh. Meow, meow, meow.
Stop, teacher.
The three little kittens washed their mittens. Look at that clean they are. That's a good job, huh?
Yeah. They're working together.
They're all so working together. So they can make their mama happy, huh?
Yeah, and make the heart warm.
and make the heart very warm. They hung them up to dry. Does your mommies hang up their clothes to dry like that, or they put them in the dryer?
The
dryer. Well, they hung them up on a clothesline, and then the sun will dry them. Oh, Mother dear, look here. Our mittens we have washed. They washed their mittens. Their mama's, look at the mama. Is she sad or is she happy? Happy. What? Wash your mittens, you darling kittens? But hush, I smell a rat close by. What's a rat gonna do?
Ribbit.
What do you think a cat likes to eat? Rats. Yeah, so the mama's saying, I smell a rat, so we can go get dinner. Yes, we smell a rat close by. Meow, meow, meow. The end.